Oh boy. Where's the Chewbacca guy?
Don't know really. Sounds like he went to 305 or something.
Bruh, we need a time scope, man.
Useless SK as hell, yeah.
Wait, I scared she fed dog.
To time.
Rest in peace, my boy. Yo,
The people that looted here also don't have time scope.
hard to
Oh,
see.
that's getting nearer.
Yeah, the kind idea. It's not just in front.
It seems like the open or something.
You know what? Forget it. I can't see shit. I'm blind.
Yo, let's just go. I don't care. Let's whack.
Fair enough.
Yo, that is 100 already.
That is so open.
Oh, he's a warehouse, I think.
You sure?
Where else can he be?
Oh, that's quite far. Eh. Yo, hacienda. Think anyone from the back? Skeleton got 2 more people from the back, yeah.
I hear a suppressor. Oh no, that's just far.
Yo, I'm covering the back.
There's a buggy at 350. Yeah, there's a guy in the warehouse. You wanna go?
350. That's quite far.
There's a pickup there also. At
You
335.
actually need to go quite far just for.
Yeah, the guy's there. There's a guy there.
Yo, you wanna come down here? I got a feeling someone is down here at the graveyard.
Okay.
Yo, that
Yeah,
car
there's a
is so
Chewbacca.
loud. So
Right there. I ping already. Confirm got one guy down there. Got one buggy and a pickup.
You see anyone at graveyard?
I'm using it 2 times, bruh. It's the same as you holding breath.
Good point. Yo, the zone is hacienda. You know what? Let's just go. Screw it. Let's just go to the warehouse.
No, I don't see him in the graveyard.
We're so gonna die.
See if I can find anybody.
Oh yeah, I see the warehouse. Bro, the contrast like we are running on this slope. It's like
There's
so
still buggy there. No, it's not.
Oh, there's a pickup there.
I mean, like, somewhere else. Come on. Should I use the AK or not? Without a compensator.
I'm using a compensator.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, you got both, right? Okay, nice, nice.
Compensator and suppressor. Yeah, I see the buggy as well.
Yeah.
Oh boy. This is literally dead.
Let's go.
So I should camp their vehicle or what?
I'm going to sneak up from the right. I'm going white right.
Oh boy.
Yo, we are so open, holy.
I know right. I'm like so in front of you. If I die, I die. Well, thankfully if I'm down right,
Hey!
that's it.
I like that. If I die, I die. I like that.
Well, thankfully if I'm down right, I'm literally screwed, man. They can just last hit me. 2 people vs1.
I'm behind you, bruh.
I thought they would be generous enough. I saw a time score on the floor and now it's 2 times. I thought they were generous enough, man.
I just been crouched wrong already.
Huh?
Wait, what?
That's not
He
even.
moved?
Oh, thankfully he can move, but there's no rule in this game that's saying that he can't move.
Extend quick draw. Please, time scope, time scope, time scope.
So should we just take the buggy?
Don't have a time scope. Up to you lah. I also don't know really.
You know what, forget it.
I would say go on foot lah, but
This is so.
but this is so open.
I
Yeah,
know,
drive.
Nah, straight,
Guys, I
straight.
didn't know it's that open.
See,
Hey, there's a guy! There's a guy! At the road. West. Oh, never mind. You see that van bus?
Yeah. Oh, you mean those guys
Should I shoot? I
No,
got
no, no,
suppressor.
no, don't bother, don't bother.
Like,
Scary.
Oh,
I
there's an airdrop
thought
right to
someone
us.
in between you and me, yeah.
320 I think. I don't know where.
see why they're building now.
I see. They're running right in front of you, bro.
Right in front of me.
Right in front of you. On the hill. You can't see one. They're 310. I saw them running. They ditched the Nika already. Are they right in front of you? At the tree!
Oh my god.
She passed you.
Blind?
I don't think they stopped. We down one, right?
Yeah. The other one is just behind the grass patch.
Yeah, I know.
I think we should rush.
I'm going from the side. I'm rushing. I see him. Wait, I'm going to shoot soon.
Yo, AK is so bad.
Oh, I lag! Oh my god. 卡住了. Down.
Oh, nice. Yo, okay, we fed, boys. Oh shit.
Whoa! Ah! Okay.
Where? Where's the Chewbacca? Wait, where's the guy?
No, there's a guy shooting us. Eh? He got a super. Hey, here, this guy. Take, faster. There's a guy right in front of us, I think. Oh my god, look at my HP. I should be mad. I'll get mad in this hut.
Yo, oh, we're inside as well.
I'm a legend. Oh my god. How do you not see that? You take extra mark here?
Yeah, I took it. I also never see a guy.
Got extra time scope. Don't have, right?
Just a 4-time and a 2-time. I think it's a bad idea to heal over here. Can we just full boost ourselves?
I boost one already. I think there's a guy in the barn.
I got 327. 326. Yo, I have extra. Oh shit, I'm full boost already. I got extra chick pad, you want?
Yeah, I'm boosting.
I got extra chick
Nah, I can
pad.
drop it. Drop. Is that you? Ah, that's you.
I wanna go back and loot those two, man. The other guy is quite fast. I severely need a helmet upgrade.
You got to get a level 3 helmet?
No, he had a level 3 helmet.
Oh, I took it.
Oh.
Oh, oh my god. You're actually autistically blind. Wow, wait, Hong, you're blind, man.
I know, right? Wait, where's the
Wow, I
first
scared
guy?
of Hacienda.
Where's the first guy?
Somewhere in the middle, yeah, somewhere in the middle.
Yo, where's the first guy down?
There, like, in the grass somewhere, crawling.
Should I just exchange to a Sky L?
Up to you, lah.
Yeah, I should.
Yeah, take the Sky out, You said AK for what? Autistic, What did you guys create? I thought he died here or something. And my zone's coming, so
Okay, let's go. Wait, I
hey,
don't
come
have
here,
a pen.
I don't care the pen lah.
Yo, pen is level 4 armor, boy. Oh shit, the zone.
Come, I give you the...
No, you keep. Previous game, right, I took it and I just died.
Legit. Come on, you got your bucket. I don't need to die
You
with
are
it.
the best guy ever.
Drop already.
Later we die while exchanging armor.
That'll be autistic.
I know, right?
I got it north.
I cutting. Yo, we have the zone. Okay. Finally, for once. Yo, I'm
I don't
let's
see
check here.
anybody.
I think Hacienda got people. Yo! Hey, wait, that's only 5 alive.
335. Is that
Yo, so they're
335?
shooting the other guy. So basically, right, there's 2 people.
Yeah, in front of us, 335, I think. Or is it warehouse?
You know what? Let them kill the other guy. So I'm assuming, right, I got 3 teams. Actually, yeah, what am I talking about? Got 3 teams, lah.
Bruh, this is duos. I see the guy, you see?
No,
Got 2 guys running already.
I'm not with you.
Right here, 335.
Oh, boy.
Right here, you got 4 time, right?
Yeah.
Shoot! Bruh.
I'm behind the mountain. Fire where?
I got suppress. 320, behind the tree. See? Take once. Oh, I think they saw us.
Yeah.
I'm moving out a bit.
Yeah, also.
I'm peeking from the right.
Wait, don't shoot, I can shoot.
I got suppress.
No,
Down.
I wanted
Down,
to say I
down.
can just kill them.
Okay, now it's 2v1.
Yo, if we lose this, right, let's just eat shit, man.
Shut the
My
fuck up.
treat.
Shh.
Okay, so they were shooting at one other guy just now.
They were shooting at Hacienda there.
Hacienda there. Okay, so the little guy is camping inside Hacienda.
I'm going behind this rock.
Yo, I think we should just play the zone, man. Honestly.
Yeah, I'm hiding behind this rock. This zone what?
Wait, how did I miss the second shot on the other guy?
What they got? Is that you?
Yo, if you actually down me, right, because of fear, right, I'm gonna kill you.
Is that a guy?
Where?
That's a guy. No. It's a statue.
Oh, I mean that. Oh, the head. Yeah.
Don't both got the same place, by the way.
Yeah, I'm watching down. Yeah, I'm
guarding
having the
Hacienda,
zone.
yeah.
I'm having the zone.
I see your zone. We're both in the zone.
Do you think he's down here?
I don't know, man.
Yo, he's not here. He's inside Hacienda. Yo, we
Is he?
got a few advantage lah. So
Change your compensator, by the way.
yeah, long ago I compensator, boy.
I was using that suppressor. Is that him?
Where?
No, it's a bush. Oh my god, dude. I swear to god.
They should really have an update on that, yeah. Sekali he in the watchtower all along. Oh, wait, I see, he come out already.
Shoot. Where? Numbers?
290, behind the wall.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, that's. Where's he now?
He's behind the wall. Moving already. 295. See, you see?
Oh,
Tag once.
changing position. Yo, I don't see him anymore.
Oh, he shot me!
Oh boy.
I'm lagging! I have mech already. You shot my best. Check out the lag.
It's at the pine tree.
Nice.
Okay,
Nice!
that was easy.
Nice.
Bruh, you know what I was doing on? I was just moving my mouse.
Yo,
I thought
hey.
I miss.
How do you win this game?
Good point. How do you actually win? Actually, it's just
We
because of
jumped
the
the
two
island, we
guys.
swam like half the way.
I know, right? It's basically just because of two guys that we won the game, man.
Oh,
Bro, this is actually so retarded. Oh my god. At least I got a video now.
bruh.